Welcome to Font Upgrade. In this extension, you can use basic HTML commands such as B and I, and that's pretty much it, to go ahead and make that bold inside of your questions. Again, it only works on your questions, doesn't work on the answers, and the key to it is once you have it installed correctly, you should see up there that there's Font Upgrade and Update Fonts. And then it runs through it and it makes it bold. You can also do italic, same concept. The key is, again, using what would be a regular HTML tag on it, going up to this, Font Upgrade, Update Fonts, and now you can use bold and italic. You can also wait till you're all the way done with this. You don't have to. You can add all those tags, fill all your questions, and then run this. But the key is you have to run it. I found once that it didn't actually show upgrade fonts. I just reloaded the form and I was able to get it. Thank you. Have a great day.